Hey everybody, it's your favorite sim whisperer, Dr. Cat, and I am back with another episode of Minute to Sim It. Today's topic is gonna be continuing on the this or that topic that we had earlier this week about pairing VR and high fidelity simulation together. So in this Minute to Sim It, I want to give you guys just a few ideas. Hopefully, y'all know I like to really go into detail on these ideas during my Minute to Sim It to run out of time. But I am going to try and stick to my 1 minute time and give y'all some ideas of ways that you can pair VR and high fidelity simulation together. So I do have my timer ready and my air horn. Somebody messaged me about where's the air horn. It's here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my timer started, or at least get it pulled up so that I can get my 1 minute, and I have that here as well. So let me woosah real quick. Again, the topic is pairing VR and high fidelity together, and I'm giving y'all some ideas on ways to do this. All right, already my brain is like going blank. Let me get it together. Okay, let me just hit start. All right, y'all. And okay, so different ways that you can pair VR and high fidelity together. So one, you can do it as pre-work. The VR could be pre-work to where maybe you take like an asthma patient, and then they do like a basic sim real broken down into VR, and then when they come into the simulation lab, then they do a more complex one, like asthma exacerbation, and then they're having to take what they already did in VR and then take it up a level. That's also seen as scaffolding. Another way that you can pair the two together is you can have them do one as like for competency-based. You can have them doing a VR to where they're really listening to different sounds, like lung sounds, things like that. And then when they come into the sim lab and they're doing the high fidelity sim, then they have to use those same sounds that they would hopefully be competent in, because they have plenty of time to have repetition and practice with the VR. Then they can take that and then use it inside of the high fidelity tour. Now they're recognizing the sounds better, and then now they can say, hey, this is what this is for this particular disease process. And that's it, y'all. God. Woo! This is terrible. Let me do my little air horn, because I still have some more ideas. I had more ideas still. I told y'all it'd be rough for me. My colleagues that have done it in great time and have done great, I'm still aspiring to do that. But hopefully you guys got something great out of that. Tomorrow's gonna be my birthday, so hopefully I'll get to hear from folks just wishing me a happy birthday and letting me know hopefully that they've been enjoying what's been going on with this or that, or Minute to Sim It, or the different courses that I've been offering. Speaking of courses, at the end of the last Saturday of September, I have my Facilitator intensive course. That is 3 hours. And then also coming up, the last day to register is September 19th for my 16-week mentorship pilot course. And it's absolutely free. You heard that right? Free. So this free pilot course is literally what it is. It's a pilot. I'm only taking 5 people to test out a program that I will be launching in January. So they get it for free. They get to tell me, you know, all of the good, the bad, the ugly, but then they also get lifetime access to whatever the changes are that I make, and also lifetime access to the community. So they can always continuously grow and improve and running a simulation center. So hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day and a great weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.